Okay guys, in today's video will be I'll be showing you how I got the Titanic in Build-A-Boat. I made this myself. It took a few hours or so, but in this video I'll be showing you how to do it with as easy as possible for you guys. Okay, so first I'm going to show you my Titanic. So, menu. Oh, sorry about this, it's just loading still. Okay, show me the way. Okay, please load. Where is there's saves. Okay, saves. Titanic. Load. I now only have 1 gold because I spent it all. I had over over 4,500 or maybe 500. So this is a Titanic, but I don't need those car wheels, and don't need this. It took me ages to make, so I'll be showing you how to make this in a few minutes, right, in about 10 to 30 minutes. Okay, so I'll show you everything. So this is my end of the boat, so the front end, and I made these chairs like tilting them, so if you go over to here, it's like rotate, and you can just like rotate both, so you can just put 50, then T to rotate. Oops, oh, I haven't gone off it yet. Delete. Okay, now I've gone off it. Okay, okay, so look, watch this. Look up here. Look, it's rotating it. And if you see, it's exactly the same as this one. So you could just go at that. And how I did like these little things is where, so did that by just getting metal. Okay, metal, where are you? Oh, it's not on here. Where you are? Where are you? There. So, it's an I-beam. So, this, and then if you have a cake, then put it on top. So, so just go like that, and then it's exactly the same as that, but this is a beginner's guide for making the Titanic. So, please like and subscribe, guys. Okay, so I don't think not many people would have this, so you don't really need that. It doesn't actually do anything. It just looks coolish. So first, we need to make the bottom. So, the thing is, you can make like a smaller version of this. So I'm gonna do one, but it doesn't have like, so the stretchability. So where you can make it go like that, stretch it like that. Okay, so first things first. Oh, I'm gonna just put it back to normal. Actually, no, what I'm doing that. I'm gonna delete it. Okay, so if you have like that many blocks, here's a smaller version of how to make it. Okay, so I don't know why it's like that, but let's see. Start. Okay, so all you need to do is just get bricks if you want to make it look cool, or like if you want to like add more effect, you can have like this to be like the fabric for the floor, or like marble, so like obsidian, marble, titanium. I'm gonna use obsidian, so just go select that. So if you're making like quite a small version, oops, not an accent. Sorry about that. I don't really use PC that much. So if you're making quite a small version, just if you don't have like that many bricks, sorry about this, my computer just glitched. Sorry about that. It's still glitching. Oh, Roblox is not responding now. Sorry about this, guys. Okay, it's working now. Okay, there. Okay, and then this. So this is a smaller version. Oops. Sorry about that. Okay, why do I keep doing mistakes? Okay. Okay, so once you've done this, the base, you can just start like, so if you want like the second layer, or like a little like cool thing at the front, all you need to do is, if you have neon blocks, just make sure you have at least like 6, and then get like a marble rod, and from earlier, you know, the tilting thing, just oh, sorry about this, guys. Stop, dude. I'm trying to do a YouTube video. Okay. At that end, to make it look a bit more cooler, so it's like, looks like it's in the right place. So, oh, that was not what I meant to do, but go like, kind of like look right underneath it, or if you just want to make it a bit easier, go at that, then get the rod like right here. So get the rod right in the middle there, then do it like that, or if that's a bit too hard for you, just like go at that, try and get it exactly on the end, go at that, and it'll be going in, and then it's coming out, and get the neon block, tilt it like this, and then it looks like it has a little end area. So then you go back to the obsidian block, then this. Yeah, it doesn't really matter, because I'm just making it as clear as I can for you guys. Okay, then there. Oh my gosh, why do I keep doing mistakes? Okay, and then okay, so then if you want to make it a bit taller, you can, by doing the same layer over and over again. And if you're using, if you have like the scale, let me know in the comments so I can make another video making the Titanic but with scale as well. And if you have enough bricks, because it used over, I think, at least 4,000, 5,000 bricks. So that was a lot. Okay. So once you've done kind of like this area, so, oh my gosh, I keep doing mistakes. Oh yeah. And as well, just take this off and carry on with that. And if you have like any of the seats, you can add them in, but if you don't, you can just get all like the basic seats. And if you want to make the second floor, instead you can just like take out this row. So you'd be like, take this out, take out the whole row, and then if you wanted, just add in anything you want. So if you want it to look really cool, you can add some kind of like line blocks if you have enough to make it look kind of like shiny, or if you want, you can add some neon blocks to make it really stand out. So once you're done with this, you're almost ready, but then you'll need to do like the seats on top. Okay, so now that you've done that, you could like, if you want, maybe to get this and so, because if you want like a special pattern on the top, you could like make it like that, so it has so it looks really cool. And if you want, if you have like enough, go onto here, scroll down. Oh, not this one. Scroll down to this. You'll have like neon blocks, so you could like get this, and then do it like each side, so it looks really cool. Look, so it looks like it's shiny. See? So looks like it's like glitching or something. So if you only have like these, you can just put it on the end, press tilt, and move it back like up to this point. If you want to keep it in place, if you want to make it look like really cool, add this, tilt it until it's like the right angle. Like you might have to like delete this and then turn it at an angle so it's like that, and then add it back in, and then looks like it's like been built into place. And then if you don't have any of like the metal pieces, so these, you can either use just like this, or you can use like any brick, something like that. And because you have like a little chair, you can just do like a little wooden thing here. If you don't have like any like sweets or anything that you want on there, all you can do is choose like any type of these you have, or you could even put like this little guy on there, so it looks really cute. Or if you want to like turn him round, and if you can even like put him on the end to make it look even better. So let's just get right angle. Okay, tilt him. Tilt. Let's just go get this guy instead. Rotate him. And he looks really cute on there. Then if you want, add a pumpkin behind, or piece of wood, or maybe like a rod or something, to make sure he doesn't fall out at all. Let's just add that in. See? Da-da. And you don't have to add that in. It's only if you want to. Or you could put in a star, make it shine, and try it out and have some fun. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and put all notifications on, and thank you.